start. This is our sketch. So firstly select all the planes and click on show. Select the top plane and click on sketch. Then draw the rectangle, that is corner rectangle, random rectangle. Then go to the smart dimension and give the dimension to the rectangle, vertical line, that is 42 mm, and the horizontal line dimension is 120 mm. Then click on OK. Firstly we need to shift the drawing at the center, which helps us to draw the sketch as linearly or as per our requirement. So then go to the fillet command and select all the corners, all 4 corners for the fillet. And click on OK. Then exit sketch. Go to the features and go to the extrude boss. Choose the thickness as 10 mm. And then click on OK. Our base is ready. Now we are going to go to the sketch. Firstly we need to draw the circles. Then choose the top face of the object and draw the random circle by using circle command. Draw the center line at the center of the object to mirror our circle. Then give the smart dimensions to the circle. Firstly give the dimension from the edges and give the circle diameter. Which is diameter as 15 mm, and just mirror our circle by using mirror command. So select the circle and select the mirror about as our center line and click on OK. Exit sketch. Go to the extruded cut and select both the circles. And click on select the through all and click on OK. Our next step, then we move to our next step. Then we need to draw our frontal part or the object below the circle. Then firstly we need to draw the reference circles, that is of the diameter 70 and 60. Only we need to draw the 70 diameter circle. So firstly select the front plane, then draw the center line for our reference. Then choose the dimension from the bottom to the top of the center line point is 105, which is also a center of the circle. Then draw the circle, give the dimension as 70 mm, and choose the circle as for the construction purpose and draw the lines as per our sketch, which is 60 mm from the center. So just draw a random line. So just draw a random line which crosses the circle and choose the smart dimension and give the dimension between vertical line and the center line as 30 mm distance and trim the remaining portion or the remaining line. Then draw another center line for the mirror purpose. Then remove the for construction tab and go to the mirror command and select the line and select the center line which is mirror about and click on OK. Trim the remaining circle, and then we need to complete this sketch. So we need to extend this and draw the R16 arc except of sharp corners. So we need to draw the line for that purpose. So choose the end point and draw the line, draw the random line without dimension. Then choose the fillet and select the both lines and get the distance as 16 mm. Click on OK and delete the remaining line. Similarly, at the right side, we need to follow the same procedure at the right side and join the remaining line to complete our sketch. So we just close our profile. Give the other dimensions to constrain our circle or our sketch. Then exit sketch, go to the extrude boss, change the direction of the extrude. We need in opposite direction. Choose the thickness as 6 mm as per our sketch. Select the sketch, click on OK. Our object is extruded. Firstly, we need to draw the circle, above circle. Then again select the front face of the object and click on sketch. And we need to draw both the circles. Draw the random circle by using reference point of the origin. Two circles and give the dimension between center to bottom of the center of the circle, and choose the dimension between center of the circle to the origin as 105 mm and give dimension to both the circles as 60 mm and 70 mm diameter. Then click on exit sketch, then go to the extrude and choose the extruded length as 6 mm in one direction and 44 minus 6 mm to the other direction, that is 38 mm, and click on OK. This is correct, 44 mm. Whole length is 44 mm. Then our next step is to draw the rib at the front and back side of the object. So go to the right plane and click on sketch. Then draw the rib from the circle endpoint to the bottom line. Give the dimension as per sketch, that is 20 mm from the bottom to the origin of the rib, and close all the profiles by using line command. Then exit sketch, go to the extrude boss and extrude to the both sides as 3 mm, to the direction 1 and to the direction 2 as 3 mm, and click on OK. Then similar to the back side, no need to draw the another sketch, we draw it in similar sketch of the rib. So go to the sketch, then draw the line to create a rib. So just draw the line by using line commands and close the profile and click on exit sketch. Only we need to extrude our other rib. So go to the sketch and then choose the extrude boss command and click on OK. Only our last step is remaining, the topper portion, so we focus on it. Firstly, we need to take a plane for the 32 mm plus 3 mm divided by 2, that is 33.5 mm from the central plane to the right or the left side. So firstly take the reference plane, change the direction, and click on OK. Then choose the new plane and click on sketch, press F8 and then draw over the sketch. So firstly draw the center line, firstly draw the line and give the dimension as 28 mm, which is our bottom line, and give the distance choose the circle command and just draw the random circle by using the reference of the center of the line which we currently drawn, and give the distance from the bottom to the center of the our currently drawn circle as 42 plus 105 mm, it is 147 mm. Then select the circle diameter and give the smart dimension to it as 12 mm in diameter. Then draw the lines up to the center of that circle, vertical direction, and choose the 3-point arc command and just fill up the remaining portion. Now our sketch is ready. Then exit sketch Firstly, we need to see the extruded length, that is 32 plus 32 plus 3. So go to the extruded boss and give the dimension as 67 mm. Then click on OK. Then we need to break the remaining portion. So select the face of the circle and click on sketch. Select the inside circle and click on convert entities. Then exit sketch. Then go to the extruded cut and click on through all and click on OK. Now we need to draw the slot. So again we select that circle and just draw the slot or the rectangle for the slot. Draw the random rectangle and we then change the dimension. Just select the center point of the line, bottom line of the rectangle and the origin, and give the relation between them as coincident and give the dimension to the bottom line as 8 mm and click on OK and exit sketch. Then go to the extruded cut, click on through all and click on OK. Now our slot is ready and our object is also completed.